Kingdom Protista. All single-celled eukaryotes are placed under Protista. The Protista have simple organization. Either they are unicellular or they are multicellular without specialized tissues. This simple cellular organization distinguishes the Protista from other eukaryotes such as fungi, animals, and plants. The term Protista was first used by Ernst Haeckel in 1866. Protista were traditionally subdivided into several groups based on similarities to the higher kingdoms. The one-celled animal-like protozoa, the plant-like protophyta, mostly one-celled algae, and the fungus-like slime molds and water molds. Protista live in almost any environment that contains liquid water. Many Protista, such as the algae, are photosynthetic and are vital primary producers in ecosystems, particularly in the ocean as part of the plankton. Being eukaryotes, the Protistan cell body contains a well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Some have flagella or cilia. Protista reproduce asexually and sexually by a process involving cell fusion and zygote formation. They may be divided into chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, and protozoans under Protista. Examples: algae, diatoms, and protozoans.